Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. I've made many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I made it a successful online business since the mid of 2017. I usually share my honest and actual experience working online, and also I refer to my long working journey since 1990 in a traditional business. So keep watching this video to the end, because I'm gonna speak about an important step you need to take right now, and you will thank me later for giving you this advice. So see you after this short intro. Welcome back, my friends. This action, or this step you need to take action right now is, my friend, to be a creator, content creator, not only consumer. Mean like you come here to watch my video or my other people videos, or searching online, or doing anything. Yes, it is your right. You are right to go to do like this, but also think about something that will make your life easy in the future, by not only be consumer. Take a step and be creator. Create even very short and simple videos by your mobile or any other devices, and start upload on YouTube, also on Facebook, but make it your own creation, not only to forward or download from others and go to publish here or upload there, or share with other people. No, and sometimes you need to create something. Especially the video creation is so important for everyone who would like to plan for working online, because content creation is the most important thing, in addition to the other activities or actions or steps that you need to take. Because why? Working online all depends on promotion, marketing, mean reaching people, build audience, build a good reputation. Then people will come to see you, to follow you, to buy from you by the end, my friend. I've lost my bad experience since 2012. I spent a lot of time just being active on WhatsApp, and by 2015 I found that this is not making me anything. This is wasting of time. So I started like to put an eye on how to create another contents, or how to take action, or start my first steps to be an influencer. It's not that important or good to be influencer. You have a group, 3, 4, 5,000 contacts on WhatsApp, or just forwarding or sharing information, articles, things like this. This will make nothing for you, my friend. But if you start learning, practicing, doing, and day by day you will feel comfortable, and you'll like it actually. Maybe you'll feel, you are saying that I'm not feeling comfortable on camera. Just give it a try, my friend. Like me, I was the same thing, but I've tried with myself, recording a short video, recording something, expressing my feelings right now, and I don't like it, I delete it, I record again and again, one, two, three, four, even 50 times. Don't worry about it. It is just practicing, because by the end you will get familiar with the camera, speaking with people like I'm doing now, and you'll thank me, my friend. This is so important. Take it right now, because don't waste time waiting or feeling shy or hesitated. No, take action. Take this right now, because it will help you a lot. Like to start building your brand, your name, your reputation, and by the end to be influencer on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, or any other social media. It will be good for you, but make yourself not consumer only, but a creator in some aspects. The things or the kind of activity that you like. It's very close to your hobby, your interest, you enjoy it, and your working journey will start from here, growing and being good, and you will feel happy by the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and this small piece of information or tip, because it is so important. And please subscribe, please drop me a line, please give me a thumb up, and check me daily, because I'm going to upload daily videos about my actual honest experience working online and in the traditional business. And I will see you very soon. Bye.